a big tractor. This is the John Deere. This is one that he uses. Look at this machine. This machine has sharp blades underneath it. See those blades? That it cuts that hay with those blades.
Yeah.
Cuts the grass.
Yeah. You would have grass that
So that's a hay cutter right there. And this one, look at this machine. This machine's, look, it spreads out like this, and it takes all the grass and it makes it in a row. See these rows? Look out here. See those rows out there? Where it put the grass in a row? This rake puts it in a row. The tractor pulls this rake, and then look, this other tractor, come here. Come here and see. Look at this one. Look at this tractor. Whoa. This one is called a baler. Look under here. This one picks up the rows of grass that rake did. It picks up those rows of grass and it rolls it up into big rolls. It puts it up in here, and these belts turn it. See those big belts? And it makes a big roll of grass. It's called a roll of hay. And look, see these sharp? They're called forks. Yeah. So what are those used for? Picking up the hay, that's right, and stacking it. Climb up in it. Don't touch anything. Just climb up in it. Sit in the seat. Look at this. This is where he sits and drives and operates that baler. Whoa, don't mess with it, okay? Gloves, yeah. Yeah, that would be fun, huh? Okay, y'all, come on. I got you. Got it? Stand next to these wheels. Look how big it is. Stand over there, Jibber. Whoa. Look at that. Yeah, come to the other side and look. Yeah, look at that. You could almost sleep in that. Okay, well, let's go ride and look at where he's getting ready to bale. Look at those rows of hay, the rows of grass that baler's gonna go.